timing came in?
It felt real slow off the button, and then you kind of felt the first one kind of ramp in, and then it smacked it pretty hard off the back. But like we were side by side until the next fractures came on.
Yeah. So, and the kits are soft, so once it started hitting kits, you know, like he said, it sounded like 3 kits because by the time it hits the big kit, early.
Well, the last kit probably was when I shifted to the second. It went to the 1-2 shift. It probably sounds like a kit, and it just revved the motor up there. That wasn't a kit. That was the 1-2 shift. Okay. Yeah. Mine was real lazy out of the hole, but we didn't know what to do. I didn't want to knock the tires off against you, you know. But that was close, man. I knew it was going to be. Good job. Thank you. Good job.
Mike, can I
You bought that small tire car for a reason. Thing won't work near as good if you cut all the bars out.
Hey, it's still fucking
They look good.
You know what? But it should.
Yeah, exactly. Man, Chuck made a good pass.
When he comes through here, we should be like, hey, that was good and all, but
That's what I'm scared about.
you did launch.
That's what I'm scared about. That's why I've been trying to take it easy. The drive shaft's 2 inches longer than the one that I pulled out of the car. Yeah. So whenever I hit bumps like that, it pushes it in. I've been worried. Hey, what is that, trans smoke behind us? Yeah. I'm afraid it's going to push the seal out. Give it a little. I'm afraid it's going to.
Think Doc broke down, maybe?
I don't think he broke down. I think he probably just pulled over. He made it yesterday. It's 20 degrees cooler.
He took that out today. I said, Dave, did you get whooped by Jeff at the light?
Twice at the same light.
I said, that's the same light. You got whooped twice. He goes, damn tranny brakes. So I put mine on the tranny brake.
He looked at me and goes, hey, they won it. I'm like, all right.
Hey, you gotta wait for me because mine. I still be back here trying to build. How you doing, man?
No shoes.
1979, it still works.
That's so cool. That's cool.
It still sounds like the alternator.
I like it. That's a cool car.
Thanks.
You see all the spark drag marks on the bumper on this one?
Yeah, I've heard about it.
It's got a lot.
Does this don't have a back seat?
Ooh, that doesn't have interior. Uh-oh. Depends on what
we
your
know
version
about this car. Well, I said we know about this car.
Sean, there's no back seat.
Hey, is this the car we're gonna do?
12
pounds apiece. The one that used to be black? I don't know. Yeah. I don't know. Where's student driver at?
Where's he at?
Yeah. Sometimes it's just like, right? I don't know if anybody knows this guy. This guy we bought the El Camino from.
Oh, hell yeah.
All right. Cool. That's a long time ago.
Well, it doesn't have a funny car cage that was cut out.
No? I mean, it's got full interior.
Hey, Travis front half of this. Travis front half of this.
Oh, yeah?
He knows the car.
It's what?
Said Travis front half it, so he knows the car.
You know what else works really good in red on this car? The laser ride height sensor underneath it on the front.
Roger that. Thank you, Don.
Full interior, too.
What about a parachute? I've never had one before. What's it like to have a parachute?
Rocky Mountain Race Week.
No?
This ain't Rocky Mountain Race Week.
I'm just saying, if you Rocky Mountain Race Week, you probably got daily driving.
He's telling you he don't care.
I mean, he's going to take it off no matter what.
No, that's some bolts. What's under there?
Hey, buddy, keep the chant going. Keep the chant going.
Attaboy. Take it up. Take it up. Hey, take it up. He's our own.
He's our own. He's our own. That's the beauty of kids, man. They're going to call it like they see it. They don't care whose team he's on. He's going to call it how he sees it.
He knows the Cheeto when he sees it.
He's over here going, yeah, take it off. And keep that chant going, man.
His daddy kid. That's what a Cheeto looks like.
Whose kid are you? Hey, wait. Whose kid are you?
My kid.
Hey, you need some table help?
I'm doing all right. I'm doing all right.
Look, that's Oklahoma hospitality is what
Hey,
that
no,
is.
we think that's cool. He's pulling it off, though.
Yeah, we did pull the
That's what he meant whenever he got that tag.
Hey, whenever these guys called you and said I have this badass group to bring,
Yes.
they did not tell you that none of the cars had back seats and they all had parachutes? They did not. They did not.
I also did not tell them they had to have a back seat.
Oh, you didn't?
I did say interior.
You did say
But
interior?
I don't think I said
specified
gotta have a back seat. Well, Monza's telling everybody rear seat deletes are okay.
That was Dave. That was Dave.
Oh, okay, it was Dave then.
Well, he didn't have back seat. He didn't have back seat. So pick up.
I mean, if you don't have a back seat, that's what you're going to tell everybody.
You're right. That's true. That's true. Yeah.
doesn't have
He
a
doesn't.
back seat.
He doesn't.
Did we rule it to death?
Back in the day, they don't really.
Okay, that's why I didn't say it.
That cup, when you buy a Fox body, they hand you a 3-gallon fuel cell. And they say put this wherever you would like.
Here, you're gonna need it.
Does that have 93 or E85? It comes with 2 shift tacks, a 5-inch or 2 shift lights, right? And a monster 5-inch tack. I don't know if anybody knows. It's factory option.
What?
Look at me. For sure. I don't know.
Guys, Sean, bring you guys up a little bit on this light. And it's short as shit. Yep. Here, a little bit. Yep. All right. Woo! Glad you could make it. Red Rover, Red Rover. Oh shit. There we go. That's right. Okay. It's in that big something. I was gonna say next. Talk about the cars first. Okay. Right. So, we're just gonna like walk forward. No, we're fine. We're fine. We're fine. Speak up.
So, Chuck now sucks compared to the way we used to do it back in the day, but all the safety bullshit, people get ran over, blah, blah, blah.
Like, I didn't even know about any of these other cars. So now, like, I was kind of worried about the 2 vets and everybody with the other car. And I'm like, yeah, we got some people around.
Yeah, no, it works out. I think I feel like our group is so diversified, we got something for everybody. And like a lot of people are scared of the all-wheel drive stuff. But man, when it comes down to it, those vets are pretty fucking, obviously that one just outran the other.
Was it closer? I was overdoing it.
I would call it a car. I don't know what it really was, but from the big end, it looked like he went kind of around him. Probably not a car, something like that. Close enough, close enough that made it a good race. It's gonna be good on TV.
Yeah. What's going on with this deal? Is it a Holly setup? Or?
It's got a Holly setup on it. Yeah, it's a Holly. It's a 550-inch big block Chevy with a Holly and a little bit of nitrous. Nothing crazy. I mean, it runs okay. Didn't even make that much power. Made 640 on the motor, and we sprayed a 200 shaft.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I know everybody gave you shit for like the Chevelle, but if you're going to build a car, you might as well build one that.
down again. We're
We gotta get their whole team together. Hey, because this dude right here, man, come on, man, come on.
Damn it, Chuck!
Hey, you can do carbon air.
You don't even have to have interference.
That's right.
So carbon interference is
It's just a plus. Yeah, but when Ryan sees what's in cross, you ain't getting no carbon air.
Are they ridiculous?
$3,000. Otherwise, I'd have.
You said pick our fastest. Well, yeah. We need y'all's fastest. We'll give y'all our fastest. Okay. Obviously, right now it is not Dave.
It's all right. Hey, Mikey's got his number. That's what it is.
It could be.
That's why I like it.
Guy used to build those Chevelles all the time. He put a 1-inch padded Cadillac top on them.
72 me, red, white, and blue.
Really? With a what? No kidding.
Sounds like you got it all figured out.
I do.
Actually, my grandpa did.
got the easy part done.
Yeah, I feel like you should be talking to Dad instead of me. Where's he at? See, he needs that bell. Where the fuck is he?
Hey, is it Bodie that's got a clean ass Chevelle convertible?
Yes.
That fucking thing.
Oh, he did sell it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Why'd he get rid of that? Wasn't fast enough?
They weren't fast at all.
You can only fit 22s on it?
That was a cool ass car. What color?
What you talking about? Blue.
Blue, white interior. That's the one he and I raced up there in California.
California, that's right.
Oh, that's right.
Hey, what was funny is he goes, you ain't gonna be mad at me. I said, why would I be mad at you, Bodie? He said, if I outrun you, I said, keep dreaming.
I mean, I still say that. Even on my own shit, it still looks like a race car. That's how I feel. Hey, I'm gonna put it in too because it's legal, but still
yeah, but yours is
like
round tube.
Car.
Mine's square tubing.
Yours was square tube?
Yeah.
I shouldn't have been so hard on you about that.
No shit.
There's my why are you just now saying that?
You should have been
saying that a long time ago. You know what? I was wrong.
Hey, actually, what he said was, he goes, that's nothing like I had pictured.
Yeah, I didn't remember it so long
He
ago.
said, everybody was telling me it was totally something different. That's why I said, you need to come. I actually said, Ryan, you need to come look at this motherfucker. You and I.
Hey, he was fucking mad at me, dude.
Yeah?
He had never been mad at me. He's been fucking. He was fucking
Hey, when
mad
my
at me.
best friend say my fucking car's a cheater, I mean,
pissed.
come on. I could. That was hard to
jumped on
take.
board with everybody
That
else,
was
didn't he?
fucking hard to take. Yeah,
We're not talking about this on the phone. Get your ass over here.
I said, hey, you come look at this fucking
You should
car.
have called me
Or
out
you
and
and
said,
I.
I don't know.
I'm
Ryan
fucking
said that it was a fucking cheater car.
Hey, but you know what I'm saying now? Bring that motherfucker.
yeah. Hey, same team.
Yeah, same team. Same team. Hey, that is as straight as it gets.
Hey, we were on the same team back then.
Yeah.
Hate to tell you this, but we were on the same team. We were on. No, we weren't. It was a different team. Just the same guys.
Yeah.
Minus. Forgot about that.
I love that car. That's what I like. I want you to get it fucking done. Like, I'm not talking shit. That's
hey,
why I want you to get it done.
Did you look underneath that?
Chuck got it.
Oh, baby! That's a tailwheel. Left lane for the win.
Cartwheels.
Tell me.
Fucking cartwheels.
I'll do cartwheels. That's close.
All right, who we got? Left lane.
Hey, you can't have it not up better than that.
Yeah, no, yeah.
Doc goes, who do you think's more nervous? Is it the one holding the fucking jug?
Hey, it's a cool fucking race. I mean, it was two Mustangs, but it was a cool race.
But then there's that.
Damn, where are they at?
Hey, they're fast though. If you're gonna bring a Fox body out here, it better be fast. And they were.
They're going.
What if it's got a
Going to the table.
Sam, there's never been so many smiles out here. Like I said earlier, I don't care if win, lose, or draw. I promise you I'm going to be smiling the whole way there and the whole way
I
back.
tell people all the time, drag racing and street racing is about people, right? You got your people, we got our people, and we're all having that's what racing is about. It's not necessarily about the fucking car.
Thank y'all for standing up for everything. We appreciate
Hey, did they drive the fucking like
Maybe they're hugging it out down there. Or Chuck's whipping his ass. Or fighting. Oh yeah, no, for sure.
Photo finish in the night.
Oh, for sure, man. Hey, no, I think it's fucking amazing, you know. I'm glad we got the majority, you know, but we appreciate y'all coming down for real. Who can't not have fun with these cars out here? This doesn't even feel like a job.
Well, hey, has anybody worked on shit? I mean, other than you putting ice in and shit?
I know I'm frustrated in mine, but, you know, other than that.
No, but you want to work out of it.
I did win, but I
drove them all here.
Right, got a break, you know?
That's what's cool. Like, we all go jump in big tire cars or whatever and do the same thing. Hey, fast racing is cool.
Dude, man, if we had our big tire cars out here and y'all kicked the shit out of us, we'd be upset.
Yeah, that's fucking amazing.
But y'all didn't kick the shit out of us. And we are not upset.
You took the money back.
7 to 6 is as good as y'all can get, man. Like, well, as good as we can get. It looked like he had a bumper on it. They went to tape, and it took 3 or 4 minutes for him to call.
No, he looked like he had a bumper on it. We talked down there, and I said, man, I had to guess.
They do the same color. Hey, that's okay. All good. Hey, I would throw some money on the hood, but we just gonna keep it. Love you. Go back to the other side of the river.
Hey, wait till you walk back there. Not him back there.
Yeah, 2 weekends in a row we won.
Y'all had a small tire.
Well, time flew on between those 2 weekends.
It's too late.